Hello curiosity minds. In this video we are discussing about the argument research paper. Before going to the argumentative research paper, what is the argument? What is the argument research paper? Generally, what is the argument? A argument is a statement. Generally, a argument is a statement or set of statements or group of people are discussing that you use in order to try to convince most of the people obey or your point or statement or either point either your valid point or either group of people are accepted or oppose on your point or your opinion. That means try to convince the people that your opinion about that in that your opinion about something is correct or not. Then most of the people are generally called as oral disagreement, oral opposition, contention, violent arguments, discussing the various unnecessary jargon techniques. So many people, so many discussing unnecessary topics, unnecessary things are there. Generally, the arguments are divided into four types. The argument is first one deductive argument and second one inductive argument. Third one Tolman argument and fourth one Regelman argument. Okay, first one deductive argument, second one inductive argument, third one Tolman argument and fourth one Regelman argument. Based on which purpose we are planning to argue and your work is strong, your work is unique, then we are planning to propose based on these factors: deductive arguments, inductive arguments, Tolman argument and Rogerian argument. Then before going to the write the paper, what is an argument? How to write an argument? Generally, you first choose a valid topic or identify the problem. Okay, then take a position. That means you collecting the information. Either you have a valid survey or you have qualitative information with the solid proofs. Then gather supporting evidence of the your proposed argument or your proposed work to be truth or fact about the particular opposite thing. That means laterally present argument either logical way. That means why we are using logical way. The either logical way group of people are already planning to oppose. Then you are planning to overcome what they are opposing. Then if you have choose the valid, show the valid results, valid fact finding environment evidence, then they are also obey your qualitative information, qualitative results, finally approved and accepted by your results. Then finally provide counter management. This is the structure of argument. Generally, those in the structure of argument, we are already discussed about four types of arguments. First one, deductive argument, inductive argument, and Tolman argument, and Regression argument. Then, what is the argumentative research paper? In this argumentative research paper, both students or authors or scholars specify what they are going to explore, what they are going to express, what they are going to their proposed unique idea or immediately establish the status of their argument in their thesis statement. That means one particular platform environment, it is the valid point. We are planning to give the valid point with oppositive reviewer based reviewers already accepted, then the argument is unique. Then the group of arguments in some of the papers were reviewed by double single blinded review, double blinded review, normal review. Okay, based on their journal they maintain qualitative, then qualitative indexing, qualitative metadata repository system. Then they are following some of the rules, COPE guideline rules. That means single blended review, single review, double blended review. In their case, sometimes minor review and major review also required. Based on qualitative generals, they maintain impact factor along with plagiarism policy also. It is the main factor. Then, what is an argument based on research paper? First one, argument paper does many things. Okay, it indicates and describes the particular location or paragraph or particular point of the problem. Then emotions are views rather than motivation reasons. That means it may be passive way, but it not fully purposing method. That means it is a logical analysis method. One side of the argument shows strength and authenticity while presenting the other point of view objectively. Okay, guides readers to logical and informative conclusion about the problem. Why? Because already you shown or reviewed by your reviewed through proved your work. This work is proven. It is unique work. They said. Okay, looks at the other side of the argument and counters these arguments. Why? Because we are proving already, we are want to show evidence of the your proposed mechanism. Finally, demonstrate the ability to argue and particular position using valid points from the credible resources. That means oppositors looking for evidence, qualitative evidence. The evidence must be satisfied by the exist system, and supporting always exist system and upgraded to the exist system to proposed system. Finally, the evidence must be proven and accepted by the opposition versions. Okay, then this diagram represents how to works augmented paper comes. First will initially take it hypothetical data from various resources, then identify the background information and collect the information, generally write the thesis or write the particular survey or analytical analysis, whatever it may be, generally called as a introduction. Okay, like it act a process of arguing, reasoning, and discussing, argumentation, whatever it may be, based on their work. Next, then we are planning to your work is good, and everyone must be initially opposed, but you want to show the different claims, claim one, claim two, claim three, up to n. We are using the qualitative proposed work, that means claims, but you must show and you must want to disclose the evidence of the claim. Then the evidence of the claim and evidence of the work and unique work will opposite who are opposite your work. Then they want to show, they planning to show and analyze various reviews factor, finally give the conclusion. Okay, this is the structure of the argumentative research paper. Argumentative research paper, this is the what are the techniques used in the argumented writing paper. Generally, these are two mechanisms are using: focus and emphasize and point counterpoint mechanism. based on focusing, emphasizing, and your argument something look like a good one compared to previous existing mechanism. Okay, what are the elements in writing in argument essay? That means thesis statement, target audience, existing and supporting mechanisms also. We are planning to reach the your questionnaire, your work is uniqueness compared to other people. What in the way, what are the 8 steps in making research paper? The best research paper, like argumentative research paper, you want to write the best argumentative research paper, you must follow the 8 steps. These 8 steps to help you in the writing a good research paper. Those are: step 1, organization is important. Organization means to collect the information to make a different sequence of approaching method. First one. Second one, undertake proper research. Interlink between edge system, proposed system, like literature survey, edge system, proposed system, and some of the algorithms it may be using, if you may use it, or the results and conclusion. These are flow of information, flow of work. Next, carefully select your topic. Then you must planning to identify the correct research topic. That means you are planning to identify research problem. Next, write down the proper notes. That means gathering the information, collecting the information, and maintain one particular data storage. It is very helpful to existing and proposed system writing methods. And formulate the outline. That means hypothetical information can be viewed, or theoretical information can be viewed, and systematic approach way. Next, write an first draft. That means initial draft. You must follow the initial draft. Then you must follow the research paper structure. That means the research paper structure. That means you know that abstract key title, abstract introduction, keywords, abstract introduction. That abstract means abstract title, abstract keywords, introduction, literature survey, related work, conclusion, and proposed system, results, and future enhancement, conclusion, and references, and appendix, what it may be. Okay, in this way we are planning to analyze what is the significant mechanism to understand the way. Finally, write the first draft based on best research paper drafting techniques. Finally, proofread, edit your final draft, and submit your paper to research cycle. That means this research cycle will help you the entire mechanism to reach the destination, how to write a research paper, and this research circle will guide you the identify the research problem to publish your article. Okay, next, this diagram, this questionnaire, argumentative and persuasive, will guide you the argumentative way and persuasive way. The argumentative way is open-ended environment, and persuasive is a self-centered environment. This style is representing as a argumented essay is more than authenticated proof. It appeals more than emotions, feelings, views than to the reason and propositional logic. Okay, in this video we know that we know that first one, what is the argument, types of argument, and how to write an argument. Then what is the argumentative research paper, and what is an argument based on research paper. Then what are the techniques to be used in argument writing, what are the elements in writing an argumentative essay, and what are the significant 8 steps to make a research paper effectively based on through like using successful paper writing guidelines. Next, the difference between argumentative and persuasive. Okay, finally, thank you very much. Please like and share your circle and comment if you are really understood, and if you want to more from this kind of environment, please encourage me and subscribe, and thank you very much.